is another day.
The family receives the portion corresponding
And I cooked another set of brown eggs. ASMR because my sister is studying.
As long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish.
Good morning these days. Busy na kay ko. Usahay na lang dyan ko makachika din niya. Makachika ko gamay na dyan kaayo. For today, excited ko kay naghimo ko og project sa akong manghod video. And this is actually the first video nga. Ako'y ka-shoot. Ako'y somehow ga-idea put the idea. And ako'y mag-edit. Ako tanan.
Hangayop ko sir.
Yun ako sa panhandling. I am very much against panhandling.
And this is the first time mura ko ga-write og story. Even though ako ga-write, kaya I hate writing, mura lang as the story progresses, nara ko idea kung saan pagpa-flow siya.
To dig deeper into this ethical dilemma, we interviewed two people with opposing views on this matter.
I am Eden and
So murag happy kay ko kay, whoa! I mean, it's not perfect. It's very ugly. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look like one of those Netflix documentaries. Pero ganahan ra ko. Muna siya ang first project nga ako, mura ba kayon ko nga ako ginaghimonay tanan. So I'm very happy, and this is probably one of my dreams to make something on my own, and I'm doing just that. And also, I'm noisy again. Also tonight, actually today, mga ko gawas to shoot some people, not in the head, but I'm gonna shoot their faces. Not with a gun, but like mag-shoot ra ko nila with this camera, and then yeah, hopefully na ako daghang bureaus para sa ako ang i-produce nga documentary. I don't know how to pronounce documentary, but yeah, I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna go there, and I'm living the best life. That's a lie. But yeah, sometimes I do feel like I'm living the best life. Right here, diri sa among condo, mura ko og retire na gani. Like anang mura og, I'm enjoying the fruits of my labor, and I'm not working anymore. I'm not working a lot of jobs. I'm still working one job, and it's very easy, and it pays well. So like basically, I'm already tired, and I tire myself enough not to feel bored. So I'm living the dream. And how old am I? I'm 23. Of course, that's a lie. Sometimes I feel depressed. Sometimes I feel sad. Sometimes I feel like I'm not achieving enough. Sometimes I feel like everyone is going up and I'm going down. But I'm not, it's just it. This is the face. And the thing is, it's not gonna last forever. I'm probably gonna be working harder next year. Probably. Yeah, I know I will be. So, that's it. Thank you for listening to my non-stop talking blubbery. Mwah. Oh,